IJDM for tonight. We're just going to enjoy fireplace via GoPro. No, not really. And yeah, what you see here, again, not really as it seems. Oh, I'm just cruel. But what we are going to do is, I did promise a video on the 1084 monitor I got with it, and it's actually the Commodore 1084S. I don't know what the difference is, but you know what? The lighting is just sucky right now, so let's fix that real quick, because I can make some brightness. I don't want to make it too bright, and I know sometimes it gets grainy when it's dark. It's just the nature of these digital cameras sometimes. But I'm actually going to be using a Wii that's been modified and hacked, and if you want more information on how I did that. But what we're going to look at here is the monitor, and this is the switch I'm telling you. The toggle is just not working quite right. There's all the jerkiness, but hey, sometimes that's just the way we roll here. And I am just going to try to use this gaff tape and tape it down. And hopefully it holds for the... It is not wanting to hold at all. Ah, come on. Just need you to hold for a little bit. And that's because there's a little switch inside, and I think it just kind of went bad. So, whoa, something just blew in that monitor. Well, this video may be a wash. Either that or the tape popped back out again. Yeah, the tape popped back out again. So I'll have to start this. Okay, restart. It did not blow. It was the tape didn't hold. So I rigged up something else, and I don't want to talk about it. Let's see if we get a picture on this. And this monitor actually does work, and it's going to look kind of wonky just because I'm using a Wii unit. I think it's 640 by 480, and I think these monitors were far less back then. And this is a hacked out Wii. It's the only thing I had that I could actually connect this monitor to test it out. And yeah, it looks a little weird. And oh, let's see. I have not used this in a while, so I'm hoping, if memory serves, and actually I can't even see the bottom of my prompt right now, so let me just CD, what is that? We'll try Oregon. Oregon or Oregon? Oregon Trail. Well, it's just... yeah, I think that's it. Oh, there we go. So this monitor is working, and I'm not going to make this a long video, and I'm sorry for the fake out. I just want to put the Amiga on there to kind of get the feel and vibe of it. But it obviously wouldn't be running. Maybe it would if there's a port of it. I don't know on the 4000 series or any of the Amigas for that matter. But yeah, there it is, and it is working. It cleaned up very. I mean, it looks good. There's still some little bit of thing here and there, and yes, it is missing the door, and I've gone back and forth. I have looked it up, and there is 3D prints, and you can paint them and put them on, because I guess the 3D prints are usually in blue or a different color or black. Maybe you can get the matching beige now, I don't know. But it's kind of iconic of this monitor, because most times in the environments the door would snap off and then just disappear. And so it's kind of like, in its own aspect, like this is the way it was. And I find that kind of interesting. Let's just go ahead and no, I don't think there's any save games on there. Well, let's get Banker, and let's name a first leader on this one. We'll call him IJDM, and other members of a thing. So we'll bring along Amiga, and we'll bring along Wii, because Wii is obviously powering this thing right now. It's basically a hack you can do on these old units and make them into little DOS computers. They play old games all right. The more faster ones and faster graphics and newer games going into the 90s are not quite good with, but it's just another use for the Wii. If you know, you got one sitting around, it's very easy to do. Okay, so who else are we going to put in here? We're just going to put camera, and we're just going to put in fire pit. Maybe that's what I started on for my restart. Correct, yeah, sure. And obviously I could adjust the screen to make it the right size, but yeah, we'll just start in May, and we're gonna leave, do this and that, and yeah, I'm not gonna really play the game, but yeah, I should buy all this stuff. I'll buy some oxen. I'll buy 20 yoke. What the heck? Spacebar. How many yoke you want? I thought I said 20. 5, whatever. We don't need any. We're good. All right, let's go. Yeah, and the speaker works. I mean, yeah, I haven't cleaned any of the pots on the bottom yet with the stuff I have. But there you go. There it is, the Commodore 1084S monitor, and this will be just a short one because I just want to show this is working. Other than the power switch issue and obviously the front panel, I mean, I kind of want to leave it the way it is. It looks a little wonky, but it's, like I said, it's sometimes about nostalgia, and I was actually happy the way this came out, and that the picture is actually very clear. And I did check all the caps and did all the progressive stuff that I could do to try to make sure that nothing could go possibly wrong. I was actually worried if you watched the mistake in the beginning of this video and saw that, I was worried like something blew. It was just the power switch popped off, and it's just the way they power off sometimes. And I just wedged something in there to keep it in there for now so it stays on. But yeah, this monitor looks great, and it would actually look better if I had probably the right resolution. The fact it's even handling it from this Wii unit, I'm surprised. And it's probably not even set to the right mode right now, but it's not glitching. I mean, you get a little bit of rolling and stuff, but that's indicative. And I'm not sure how this is portraying on camera with the 24 frame rate that I use, but it may be rolling on stuff. But this picture does look nice and crispy and clear. It's just got a little bit of something going on, but it's just one of those things. If you don't match it up with the right, what it's designed for, you get that. So that'll be the end of this video for now. I just wanted to throw the 1084S because I did make a promise that I was going to feature it, and I am still. The problem is this goes from a RGB 15-pin cable to a 9-pin connection. So the whole issue I'm having right now with it is that it obviously needs that to connect, and those cables can run $35, and then with shipping they're like $55. So I'm trying to work out a deal where I can get one fairly cheap enough and actually power this unit on, see where it's at, and hook up the keyboard that we just finished restoring. Be sure to check out that video along with the other ones I've done on the Amiga itself. So this will probably end up being an 8-part episode situation. Just some of the progressive steps I've gone through and just guessing. So this would be part 5, I think, at this point. And then there'll be 3 more on actually when I get the cable, hooking it up, seeing where we're at, and then making a decision from there. But like I said, my intelligence on this stuff is limited, and I'm not going to go into capacitor recapping and all that. So that's where we're at now, and be sure to subscribe, check out the other videos, and that's it for tonight.